I'm going to teach you how you can make money through the buying and selling of yam. You can see I have 2 tubers of yam in my hand. 1 tuber, 2 tuber. How you can make money by buying and selling of yam. And we are starting right now. Welcome back. As I said, I want to teach you how you can make money through the buying and selling of yam. But it is not the normal way that they buy and sell yam that I'm going to teach you. The way I'm going to teach you is a modernized way of buying and selling of yam. Normally, when people buy yam, they go to the market, they buy the yam, they bring it to their store, and then they pile it and they call it 4, 5, 6,000 or thereabout. What you're going to do in your own case is you go to the market where they buy the yam in wholesale and direct from the direct from the farm price. You get the yam at the farm price, you bring it home. When you bring it to your store, you have your shop, you have somebody taking care of your shop, the shop manager who is a faithful shop manager, the shopkeeper, the salesperson in your shop is there in your shop. Then instead of piling the yam together in 6 and 3s and selling, you sell them per one. So if the yam you bought it from the farm at, let's say, 300 naira per one, you make it 350 per one or 400 per one. So that is how you sell it, 400 naira per one. People will look at the yam that this 400 naira yam that I'm looking at, if I cut it, even cut into half, that is 200. This half or 200 is going to satisfy me and somebody else or satisfy only me at 200 for half of it, and then an egg with the other thing costs like 200 also. That is a good meal. The person is going to calculate it that way, and they are going to buy from you, and that is how you are going to be making sales. This person buy one, this person buy one. Before you know it, the whole yam is finished. Then you go again, you buy. This finish, you go again, you buy. The eat is finished, you go again, you buy. Food is something that people must eat every time. Yam is very, very easy to prepare and very, very easy to cook. They can use it for porridge, yam porridge. They can use it for pounded yam. They can use it, cut it and eat it that way. They can fry it, and that is why it is easier to do. And then you can also be selling egg by the side. You can be selling egg by the side. I have done videos already on how to make business from egg, how to make money from egg business. Go and check that video, and you are going to be glad with it. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Bye for now.